Hi there. Do you want to build a snowman? We're going to make snowmen out of a recycled yogurt drink container. Instead of throwing them out or putting them in the recycling, we're going to make cute little snowmen. I will have packages made up for take and makes for this craft kit, and so everything will be included. The first thing you have to do is paint the lid of the drink container black. Probably 2 coats would do it. And while your hat is drying, then you're going to glue on his eyes and his nose, and you're going to use a permanent marker, black, for his mouth and the buttons on his body. And then you can tie his scarf around like so. And then once this is dry, once his hat is dry, I have already made the earmuffs for you. I've glue gunned them because it was easier. And all you have to do is slip them over his hat so he looks like he's wearing earmuffs over his ears. Now, a hot glue gun would work better to keep these on, but other glue will work. You just might have to sort of hold it for a bit. All right, so that's your little snowman. And if you want him to have arms, have an adult help you. Poke a really tiny hole with a needle, and then just use toothpicks for arms, or maybe a really small stick from outside. And if you want to hang him on your tree, all you need to do on the back is just glue some yarn or ribbon to the back of his hat, and then you can hang him on your Christmas tree if you want. So there you go. There's a simple little snowman craft for you to make. Come on down to the library and grab a package. Make your own. Bye now.